gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in today, man. Wanted to definitely give you all an update. We're here in Ghana, West Africa, Africa for the Africans at home and abroad. Okay, you all see how everything is coming. All right, so they call this the lintel level. All right, so now we are working in just to get the ceiling and all of that together. So it's going to be a whole nother process after that, but you all can see definitely the progress. So maybe you can come this side over here and check. Yeah, go ahead and check the vibes, check this. The coconut, when we first came, the coconut was like super small, and now when you see it, it was a strong rain. It's been raining for the last 3 days straight, and them things are swelling up. Okay, so this is how we looking, family. This is how we looking right now. This is how we looking. This is Ghana, West Africa. This is architecture. Okay, these are masons. These are artisans, ones that's truly skilled at knowing how to build a habitat. How to grow our own food, how to build our own house. Okay. These are some things that we need to know. Okay, so we're never reliant at all. Okay, so come through. So this beginning right here, this is actually going to be like a patio. All right, so this is a patio vibe right here. We got the fufu, we got the bunku. We could chill, put some, some little chairs out here, all that, So this is going to be just a nice space. They're also going to continue building up. Okay, so we're going to put poly tanks that hold water, and that's going to help us a lot with the plumbing. So in tree, they say water is insu, right? And then even in airway, they say echi. Okay, so, just language, because as you come here, you do need to go ahead and start learning your language. Okay, like we breaking off all that colonial energy, all right? So come true. All right, so this space right here is actually going to be the kitchen, okay? So this is going to be the kitchen. We're going to have some nice table, We're going to have the paintings, We're going to have all the, Dr. Francis Cress Wellsons, the Ranoko Rashidis, We're going to have the Garveys, Selassies, the Menins. We're going to have a picture of all these greats, Booker T. Washington, all of this, But man, it's going to be fire. So this is going to be the kitchen. All right, so come true. For ones, just to kind of just vibe up. This is a storage space as well, for like the kitchen and things like that. So we could put the refrigerator in there. We can, because we're going to be making a lot of juices from the farm. We can store things in there, all kind of things. So, let's come true. Okay, family. So let's start over here with the corner. So over here, basically, family, this is going to be the place where the staircase is going to be, because this is going to be a story building. We're going to design it in a way to where we can, if we want to, we could design it as like a storage space. So this is where the staircase is going to be, and it's going to be fire. See, like these are the windows. This is the width of the windows, So, okay, for ventilation, we need ventilation, okay? So this space right here that I'm standing in right now, this is going to be the big conference area. Like I've been telling all of you all right? Inviting people from all over the world, man. Let's sit down, let's reason, the meeting of the great minds, consciousness, Let's speak on spirituality. Let's speak on nation building. All right. Let's speak on the future of Africa. What is the future of Africa, and how does that look like? And how can we create the future of Africa that we want to see? Okay. This is going to be a walkway. Okay. This is going to be a walkway, and really all of this is going to be open, so we can come true. So let's begin here. So this is where the bathroom is going to be. This is going to be the main area, the guest area, okay? Because this is open to the public, all right? So this is going to be the guest bathroom right here. As you all can see, the pipes are in there. You can come in and, see everything. And this is straight from grassroots. You all are seeing this whole process. You know what I mean? Got this little area right here as well. Okay. Okay. So it's all coming together very well. All right. So this space right here that I am standing in, this is actually a bedroom. Okay. So you know what I mean? This is enough space. As you all can see, the width of the windows as well. The width of the windows are very well. The ventilation is going to be very nice. Okay. So this is going to also be a nice space to exist in. Okay. So then, you know, we come over here to the left, you know. So even just this space right here, this is like the opening. This is another bathroom as well right here. But what I'm standing in, maybe put a nice little, you know, mirror, you know what I'm saying? Check yourself, boom, boom, boom. You know what I mean? Maybe we put some affirmations on the wall, you know, different affirmations and things to uplift us for the day, you know, different things we can do. So even right here, you know, so this is basically an area right here for the restroom. You can see the plumbing, okay? Boom, boom. And you have to see, you know, just the art, you know, and just to observe and analyze the skill of the ones that created this, you know what I'm saying? Because, man, just doing this is transferring your mind into physical, tangible reality. And this is skill. This is skillful. It takes skill to really build a home, okay? So maybe come true. So also right here, we got another area. This is gonna be the library, okay? So as I said, like I'm talking about, we're gonna have all the Pan-African books that you can think of, all the herbalist books, yoga, spirituality, consciousness, anything that you can think of, you know, that's just about learning about our history, learning about nature, and just really changing Africa, you know what I'm saying, and even changing our people just all over the world. All right, so this library is going to be fire. It's going to be powerful. We're going to have pictures of greats all over everywhere, you know what I'm saying, ones that really inspired melanin ones, okay? Because it is spiritual warfare. It is a war, all right? And the books really open your mind up to a whole nother dimension that you didn't even know that you was, you know, unconscious of. You see what I'm saying? So books really unlocked even my mind as to why I am even existing in Africa, because in the school system, they don't teach us anything, you know, like really things that we need to know about ourselves. And if you don't know yourself, I mean, how far can you go? Honestly, you know what I'm saying? So really books are very essential. Writing, reading, all of that is good. Books are needed, okay? So this is going to be a really fire library. So as I said before, this is really the movement here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you just kind of see ones and ones, you know, just kind of vibing up, you know, doing their thing. Wow. Even right here, so this is going to be one door. Right here, okay, this is going to be one door, and then this is going to be the main door right here, the main door, okay. And then just as you out here, you could just take in all the mountains, all the scenery, the nature, the peace, you know what I mean, and the music that nature is creating, you know what I'm saying. And you can get in tune, you know. The closer you stay to the earth, the closer you stay to the Almighty, you know what I'm saying. And what path is there better to take than to go towards the Almighty? Besides, yeah, so this is really what's going on, family, man. Even before the sun go down, you know, we're going to do some small farming, you know, go ahead and start a plant nursery, man. And it's powerful works, you know, honestly. What we're doing right now, what we're doing in this day, this is powerful works. And I pray it inspires all the people in the four corners of the earth, everything that we're doing right here in West Africa, and that to let you know that I am of the same source that you are, and what I'm doing right now, you can do it too. All right, so let this be a fire to you and let this inspire you. All right, so we here, Ghana, West Africa, man. Africa for Africans at home and abroad, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. Really appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I'm a big ball of positive energy, man. You know why? Because it's good for your health. So might as well. All right, family. So appreciate y'all. Update. Checking out. Boom.